Hey, this is Gia from Brand24, and today I'm going to show you how to create groups. Groups help you organize all your mentions, and you can also use them in your widgets. You can create as many groups as you like and assign any mentions to them. A lot of users group their mentions based on negative feedback, positive feedback, and customer questions. A handy thing about groups is that you can use them across projects. This means that once you've created a group, you can take individual mentions from any projects that you have access to and put them inside that group. And of course, you can see which project any mention comes from right inside a group. So let's get started and create a new group. First, log into your Brand24 account and click on any project. From the side menu on your right, click on Manage Groups. Then click on Add a Group. So enter the name of your group, for example, Positive Feedback, and click on Save. You'll see your new group in the menu. Now all you have to do is find a mention that you want to put in that group. Along the bottom of that mention, hover over Group and select the group that this mention belongs in. A mention can be assigned to more than one group, and this information is always visible inside the mention. To remove a mention from a group, all you have to do is hover over Groups and then unselect that group. Information about this assigned group inside the mention should disappear. You can delete a group altogether from the side menu on the right. Just click on Manage Groups and then Delete. Click on Yes to confirm, and the group will disappear from your list of groups. Deleting a group will not delete your mentions, just the group itself. And that's it. Now you know how to create and use groups in your projects.